Oh,
Hello, welcome to Cebu Chinese Heritage Museum. It's the first Chinese museum here within Cebu, and now we're celebrating Chinese New Year here. We have a specific set of activities that we have prepared for you. On the first floor, we have the prosperity tree Ampao hanging, and up to the second floor, we have book readings. We have a philatelic exhibition and also plaster painting. Come and enjoy.
thank you very much.
Thank
And you
you.
are
I am Denzel Almeida,
Denso Omeda.
staff of the museum.
Stop. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Denso
Enjoy,
Omeda.
guys.
Thank you. Hello. I am here in the Chinese Heritage Museum. They're going to celebrate their Chinese New Year. This is the Heritage Tree. You have to register.
Yeah.
Meron mabayad?
Yeah.
80 pesos? Mahal naman.
Hello, hi.
Thanks for watching.
On regular day.